Welcome to the Goat Channel, Wife Edition. I have bought an IPSY Glam bag. These are $12.99. It's a monthly subscription. Comes with 5 products in a makeup bag. So here's the makeup bag. It says IPSY on the charm. I got a silver metallic makeup bag. Looks like the first item, might not fit in the bag, is a Moda, M-O-D-A makeup brush. Looks like a eye makeup brush. Next item is H2O Hydration Oasis Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. Next item is a Estate Pressed Bronzer. The color is Going Nutty. Next item is called Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama for all skin types. And our last item is an Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Acne treatment. And the brand is Murad. Also comes with a little pamphlet here. For add-ons, you can add on full-size products. You can get a whole bag for $25. I just did the sample bag for $12.99. And that is it.